Hello my friends, it's Danny, and today I'm making Korean style Beyond Meat burgers courtesy of Blue Apron. Now, I'm a big believer that one of the most powerful ways that we can take really great care of ourselves and our health is to spend more time in the kitchen. When you're cooking your own food, not only are you in charge of all of the ingredients, but it gives you an opportunity to relax and unwind, spend some quality time with your family or a friend, or even just by yourself. But I also know, as a working mom of two, that even with the best of intentions, sometimes it can just be hard to plan out all your meals and get to the grocery store and do the meal prep and all of the things, which is why I am super excited to partner with and introduce you to Blue Apron. They're a meal prep delivery service that brings high quality, delicious ingredients delivered right to your door along with the recipe. So you get to skip the meal planning, skip the grocery shopping, and fast forward to the fun part, which is the cooking and the eating. This is really a great option for any of you who are wanting to cook more, but are just having a hard time getting it done. And for the first 50 people who sign up, you will get $60 off over the first 3 weeks of Blue Apron. Now I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below for anybody who wants to check that out. And I promise to share more details throughout the video and then again at the end of the video. But for now, let's see what's in the box and let's get cooking. So we've got our Beyond burgers, our buns, the potatoes, and then all the condiments and the seasonings. And the one thing that I'm really excited about is that there's 2 ingredients in this box that I have never worked with before. One is gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste, and then the other is cake, which is a dried Japanese seasoning mix. So this is definitely a fun way to kind of shake anyone out of a food rut and experiment with some new ingredients. I'm super excited to try those. So I've got the oven preheating at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. That's gonna be for our potatoes. And we have to start by washing the produce, so the potatoes and the scallions. Then the potatoes are getting cut into 1-inch wide wedges. And the scallions are going to be thinly sliced. We're also going to split the buns and make the hoisin ketchup by combining the ketchup with the hoisin sauce. Now that's all the prep that needs to be done for this recipe, so this really is an easy one. Now I'm gonna get the potatoes ready to roast. So I'm gonna season with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and the cake. Toss that all together, and then just line them up skin side down on a rimmed baking sheet. And if you have any hesitation about the cooking process, all you have to do is look at the recipe card and you're good to go. These are going into the oven for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown and nice and tender, and I am off to make the scallion jam. So I've got a medium nonstick saute pan heating up over a medium heat, and I'm gonna add in the sesame oil, which has a very nutty, earthy, delicious flavor, and a little goes a long way. Then in go the sliced scallions with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm just gonna let the scallions cook for a couple of minutes or until they've softened up. And then in goes a little bit of sugar and then rice vinegar. Again, this all came pre-portioned in the box. So I'm gonna keep this moving, stir this around for another couple of minutes, and what you're gonna see is that it starts to bubble and thicken up. That's how we know it's ready. So I'm gonna transfer it into a bowl and then wipe down my pan. And anytime you're making like a jam or a jelly, you'll see that as it cools, it actually thickens up a bit more. Now for the burgers, I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil into the pan. You just need a nice light coating. And then once that oil is hot, in goes the burger. I'm gonna let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. You want them to get a nice little crust on them, and they'll be golden brown and heated all the way through. Now, if you're not familiar with Beyond Meat burgers, they're a plant-based burger that's meant to give you that beefy flavor and mouthfeel without meat. Now, it's not a veggie burger per se because the base of the burger is pea protein isolate, but it really is a fun option for anybody that's a vegan or a vegetarian or simply wants to enjoy a beef burger without the meat. I've been seeing them all over lately and I have been dying to give them a try, so I cannot wait to taste these. So these burgers are looking good. They're browned up, they're cooked through, so I'm gonna get them out of the pan, and then in go the buns, cut side down for about 30 seconds or so. This is just gonna warm them up and give them that toasty edge. Now for the final step, we have to make the mayo. So I'm gonna take some of that Korean chili paste and add that to the traditional mayo. The recipe card says that I could add as much or as little as I'd like, depending on how spicy I like things. So I am gonna add quite a bit of it because I like things spicy. Okay, so now we're gonna assemble the burger. And again, the card is walking me through this. So on the bottom of the bun, I'm gonna put a layer of that spicy mayo. Then on goes the Beyond Burger, topped with the scallion jam. That looks so good. Pop on the top of the burger, and then alongside here are our roasted potatoes with that hoisin ketchup. I cannot wait to try this burger. It smells so good. That really tastes like a burger. I cannot believe there's no meat in there. And I love the play of the spicy mayo with the sweet jam. It's like a little party in my mouth. So good. Cannot forget the potatoes. So good. That Führer cake has a little kick to it. So dipped in the hoisin ketchup, it's a great balance of flavors. That is so good. Now that entire meal probably took 30 minutes flat to make, and it could not have been any easier. So as promised, I want to share a few more details about Blue Apron and hopefully answer any questions that you may have. So they offer 3 types of plans. They have the 2-person plan, the 4-person family plan, and then they have a Weight Watchers freestyle plan. For the 2-person plan, you can choose from 2 to 3 recipes, each designed to serve 2 people. The 4-person plan, you can choose 2 to 4 recipes, each recipe designed to serve 4 people. And for the Weight Watchers freestyle plan, you can choose 2 to 3 recipes from the Weight Watchers menu designed to serve 2 people. Each week, you have 16 different recipes to choose from. So there's plenty of variety, and you can choose from any of the recipes within your plan. All of the meals can be prepared in 40 minutes or less. And as for the cost, prices start as low as $7.39 per serving. And remember, all of these ingredients are being sourced from local suppliers and artisans. And finally, there's no commitment. You can skip or cancel the service at any time. So if you are wanting to cook more, but you're just having a hard time getting it done, I really recommend Blue Apron. Remember, I have a link down for you down in the description box below if you want to give them a try. And remember, they are offering to the first 50 people who sign up $60 off over the first 3 weeks of Blue Apron. So I'm gonna leave that link for you down in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. And of course, if you have any other questions, just put them down in the comments below and I will make sure to answer each and every single one of them. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Danny Spies, and I'll see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers. So I'm gonna add quite a bit of it because I like things spicy. 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 I really like spice. Spicy. I like things spicy. No, that's it. We're good. We got